Hello and welcome guys, and welcome to this short vlog. And yes, I'm creating this video to weed off certain confusions which are there in the minds of the students who have currently syllabus 2016 in their kitty and they want to convert into syllabus 2022. Yes, December 2023 was the last term of examination in which syllabus 2016 was applicable. After that, guys, June 2024 onwards, there will only be one scheme of syllabus which will be running, which is syllabus 2022. Now, all the syllabus 2016 students are currently confused as to whether the conversion from old syllabus to new syllabus will be automatic, or do you need to do certain steps to convert from the old syllabus to the new syllabus. This particular video, I'm going to remove this confusion or doubt from your mind, because it's really important to be absolutely clear what is the future course of action. First of all, let me start from the beginning. December 2023 is the last attempt for syllabus 2016 examination. So of course, many of you might have given examination in syllabus 2016. So guys, till the time December 2023 result is out, you need not do anything. As of now, you need not do anything. Because if you get qualified in December 2023, in the December 2023 attempt, if you are a CMA final student and you get qualified in the syllabus 2016 itself, then you need not do anything. There is absolutely no requirement of doing anything. Similarly, if you are a intermediate student and syllabus 2016 student and you qualify CMA Intermediate in December 2023, you absolutely don't need to do anything, because your registration in CMA final will automatically be done in the syllabus 2022 scheme of studies. Now, what will happen if you do not get through the December 2023 attempt and you were syllabus 2016 students? Now, the question which is confusing you, and I've got a lot of queries from many of you, so whether the conversion will be automatic or whether you have to do certain things or we have to take certain steps to convert from the old syllabus to new syllabus if we do not qualify the December 2023 attempt. So guys, the institute has weeded off this confusion which is there in your mind. So if you go to the website of the institute and you press on the students tab, okay, this is the students tab, and if you see this sticker which is coming on this red band, it says that conversion from old syllabus to new syllabus 2022 is mandatory through an online system. Now, very clear that this conversion is mandatory. It is not that you will automatically get converted into syllabus 2022. So chill, relax, just wait for the result of December 2023 attempt. If unfortunately you are not able to qualify December 2023 attempt in the old syllabus, then you have to take steps to get yourself converted into the new syllabus. It's not automatic. Soon as I click on this link, okay, I'll click on this link and I'll take you to the link where there's an online system of conversion from the old syllabus to the new syllabus. All right, so here is the ticker and I'll click on this ticker, and this is the portal according to which you will be able to convert from the old syllabus to the new syllabus. Okay, if you see this pink highlighted box, it says syllabus conversion request. You click on this syllabus conversion request, you'll get a student login password captcha login like this. Okay, if you have never created a login account, which might be possible, then you please create a login account using this tab, create login account existing students. Okay, you create a login account, input your information over here, and you will be directed to a dashboard like this. Soon as you log in, you get this kind of a dashboard in front of you. I already have login credentials of one of my students, and that is why I'm able to access his dashboard. Dashboard looks like this. So this student is in syllabus 2016. Okay, now there's an action button. If you drop down the menu, then you get apply for syllabus change. You click on apply for syllabus change. Soon as you click on apply for syllabus change, this kind of an interface you'll be able to see. Then you have to choose the option, have you passed any group? Okay, it says yes or no. Okay, if you have passed, suppose you have passed group 3 but you have not been able to qualify group 4, okay, in the old syllabus, so you click on yes, and then you give details on when did you pass your group. Elective papers you need to take in paper number 20, group 4, which elective paper you want. Okay, you have to make this choice, which elective paper do you want in paper number 20. Whichever elective paper you want in paper number 20, that you need to put over here. Okay, now Now, one very important thing which is to be noted over here, guys. 20 is strategic performance management and business valuation, which is same paper as your old syllabus paper. I've created a detailed video on all these three papers explaining what are the ingredients of this paper, contents of this paper, to help you make a choice on which one to choose. Okay, I'll give the link of this video in the description box below, but choose this option wisely. Why? Because this choice is irreversible. Once you choose a paper over here, you won't be able to rectify your choice. So please make the choice very carefully. Okay, if you have not passed any group, then you simply put a no on this button, and then you get a drop down. Again, you have to choose which paper do you want to see in which paper do you want to choose out of these three, and you click on submit request. Okay, now after that you have to pay 250 rupees of fees. Conversion fees is applicable. 250 rupees is the conversion fees that you have to pay. That mandatorily you have to pay. Okay, there's no option for it. You have to pay, and you will be converted from the old syllabus to the new syllabus. But all this entire thing has to be done after your results, after December 2023's results. You have to do this entire thing. So don't do it now, do it after your results are out. But if you are certain, all either you have not given your paper, or the papers have really went bad or something like that, if you're absolutely certain that you for sure will need to give your June 2024 attempt in the new syllabus, then you go ahead, convert yourself in the new syllabus, and then you can actually carry on your studies. So this option is not automatic. This option is mandatory. That is the message which I want to give to all of you. And just to wind off the confusion in the mind of the students, the institute has given this sticker, guys. Conversion from old syllabus to new syllabus 2022 is mandatory through the online system. So don't assume that you will automatically be converted into the new syllabus. You have to choose and get yourself converted into the new syllabus. That's all for this particular vlog. I'll be coming up with more such vlogs if there's any information which comes up from the institute side. Yes, all the very best and happy studying.